So today I figured I'd build a chainsaw mill. Looked at a few YouTube videos, but so here's the the track frame. That's 36-inch Oregon bar. I'll adapt it to run off that. 15.5 feet long, so with a little 2-foot carriage should run a 2-foot or 12-foot log. It's a little humbling and embarrassing after having a circular mill and a bandsaw mill and a grade runaround resaw and an edger and a forklift, all the whole frickin' sawmill setup. Now I'm going back to chainsaw. So a little while later here, so it's upside down. I didn't support the 2-foot on the end because just the weight of the carriage will hang on there. This looks like a big shipping crate right now. And at the old trusty lathe, comes in good for every project. So these are some bearings I had. They're off some little track rollers off a piece of equipment. I had 4 left over, so I figured to make those work at whatever they cost. So I'm going to put them on these bolts somehow. So I had to machine the bolts down a little bit. And nice fit on there. So it's just trial by welding. Just build them and see if they work. Okay, so it turned out to be a 2-day project building this little mill. So did hand crank carriage drawworks on it. The toe boards like this, so I can lower them as the cut comes down for different size cants. They can slide in and out for sliding in and out. The log clamps, same thing. As the cut gets lower, they can go down and hammer that into the log. It's sharp. And when we get down into cants, you can just lift that out and put the smooth edge on. ×2. And for what's called toe boards for lift. That last one, I walked around talking about it, nothing happened. The video didn't go, so I didn't pick the best log in the world. I got a whole logging truckload of these now for my clearing. So I picked a red alder. So I got the toe board as a car jack. The dogs that go in, they'll rotate for height and go down. Can turn them around, drop them in that slider, turn them around 180 for a smooth face against the finished cants. So we'll fire up here. So we're whittling away at it. She cuts good. It's only limited by the chain and the horsepower. I've got a couple of 096s too. Still as big as 137cc monsters, but that's overkill for these little ones. So it seems to work. It'd be better if I leveled it. I'm in the air just a little bit there, so it gets a little bit of a buzz to it. But for 2 days to make, it couldn't go wrong.